Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends if it's not opening. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Riot Client. Right here, right-click on it and click on Open File Location. And again, right-click and Open File Location. Now, in here, right-click on Riot Client Services, click on Properties, Compatibility, Disable full screen optimization, run this program as administrator, hit on apply, hit on OK. Now go to the top, click on Riot Games, double click on League of Legends, find the League client, right click, properties, and do the same. Compatibility, disable, run, apply, OK. Now go to the top, here we have game, double click, right click on League of Legends, Properties, Compatibility, Disable, run this program, apply, OK. Close the folder, do the same thing right here on your shortcuts, right click, Properties, Compatibility, Disable, run this program, apply, OK. Lastly, League of Legends right here, Properties, Compatibility, it's all set up, just hit on apply and hit on OK. Now you can go ahead and double click on League of Legends, wait for it to open, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. All right. And if it still doesn't work for you, just don't forget to restart your computer. Once that's done, you should be good to go. That's how you fix League of Legends if it's not opening. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.